In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on the Apple Store using Apple Pay. This convenient method allows you to make secure and swift transactions, so let's get started right away. First off, you'll want to ensure that your preferred payment card is added to your Apple Wallet. If you haven't done this yet, no worries, it's a straightforward process. Open your Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad, tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add a new card. It might require your bank's verification, so prepare to receive a text or email during setup. Once your card is added, Apple Pay is ready to use. Now it's time to shop. You can do this through the Apple Store app or directly on the Apple website. If you're using the app, browse the products you're interested in, add them to your cart, and proceed to checkout when you're ready. On the website, the process is similar. Simply log in, navigate to the items you want, and add them to your cart. As you reach the checkout stage, you'll see various payment options. At this point, you want to tap on the payment section. This is where you'll select Apple Pay as your preferred method. It's quick and easy, and remember, it's essential to have your device handy because you'll use it to confirm the payment. Confirmation is one of the best parts of using Apple Pay. It's secure and fits seamlessly into your routine. Depending on your iPhone settings, you'll confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If you have Face ID enabled, make sure you're looking directly at your device to complete this step. If Touch ID is set up, simply place your finger on the home button. For those using a passcode, just enter it when prompted. This extra layer of security ensures your transaction is authorized solely by you. And just like that, your payment will complete almost instantly. Apple Pay's seamless integration makes this stage hassle-free. It allows everyone to enjoy shopping online with the knowledge that their payment information is protected. By following these steps, you'll have a seamless shopping experience at the Apple Store using Apple Pay. This service is designed to be easy and efficient, addressing modern needs for fast and secure transactions. The next time you shop, remember these steps and you'll find this method to be incredibly convenient. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it makes your future Apple Store purchases as smooth as possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit. Happy shopping, and until next time, take care.